question. Have you ever listened to a song that you really like and thought, how do they make those incredible vocal harmonies or backing vocals? What if I told you that you don't need a professional studio, thousands of dollars of equipment, or years of vocal training to create a killer backing vocal? Would you believe me? Well, today, with this plugin, anyone, and I mean anyone, can make backing vocals like a pro. A lot of people think that amazing backing vocals are only for big budget artists and really hard to create. As a result, they just duplicate a track, make some quick adjustments and call it a day. Now that the technology is evolving, it makes it much easier for producers to create a better final sound with less effort. In today's video, I am about to use the Ace Studio, a plugin that uses AI to create vocal lines. No, this is not sponsored. I just found out that this plugin is a problem solver if you don't want to pay a lot of money to different vocalists to record just some backing vocals. I hope I am not getting a lot of hate now from the vocalists. Sorry guys. By the way, YouTube is telling me that more than 90% of you are not subscribed to the channel, and one of my biggest goals for 2025 is to get the channel to 15,000 subscribers. So if you enjoy the video at the end, hit the sub. I would be very thankful. By the way guys, this is not a tutorial about Ace Studio. I just want to show you how you can go and make nice backing vocals with just this software. So right now I just imported this vocal. I will explain later what I did here.
You're something that I cannot forget, is the pressure that I have in my chest.
And I know from the project that this is on 122, and really important guys is to know also the key of your track. So right now this is in C major. So what I did here, let me go and do this again. For example, I would just go and add an AI singer. Let's go and use this one and push this one up so that you have also an idea. This here, and it's pretty simple. You just go drag and drop, and it's going to convert now the vocal to the melody. And right now it sounds like this.
I have in my chest, let me go please, cause I hurry, I want this, I don't want this. You are my feelings, I wanna go through this out, but I'm not listening about how you call my name.
Well, it wasn't so bad, right? It is like pretty quick and with just 2 clicks. Now let me show you what I did here. And I will go here on this track, and let me go and take out this. And right now, this is the piano roll from this AI singer. And if I go here and scale on and open it and just put on the fold, I'm going to see that I am correct right now. Sometimes it might happen that you might not be in the correct key of your scale, so you just go and bring it there, and right now it sounds like this.
I don't want this, you are my feelings, I wanna go through this out, but I'm not listening about how you call my name. You were so nice, can I deny?
Well, it isn't 100% perfect, but it sounds okay right now. And because I liked also how it sounded, I just took the same MIDI file and I used here for this vocalist, and it sounds like this.
You're something I cannot forget, is a pressure I have in my chest.
And again, I wanted a male and another male here. Let's go and use both of them.
You're something I can't forget, is the pressure I have in my chest.
So right now I have these vocals here, and here also I got another track that we have a 5th up. So that means I just copied here this MIDI file into this track and I just put it on the 5th up. So that means if I go and make it this one a little bit bigger, this one was 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one was here, the original was here.
Pressure I have in my chest.
But I wanted it on the 5th up, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pressure I have in my chest. Let me go please, cause I hurry, I want this.
This is really incredible guys, seriously. And again I have the same thing but on the 3rd.
Pressure I have in my chest. Let me go please, cause I hurry, I want this, I don't want this. You're my I wanna go through it all, but I'm not listening about how you got my name. You were so nice.
I am so mind-blown, seriously. This is AI and it sounds so amazing. And all together,
You're something I cannot forget. It's a pressure I have in my chest. Let me go, please, 'cause it hurts me.
yeah, okay, it sounds really great. I am telling this so many times, but I'm not going to mix it from here. You have also the possibility, you can go here and put it on the right side or on the left side, and you can also put it on the fader. But right now I'm just going to export the track, and I will just go here on the file and export audio. And in this case, I want all individual tracks and on the whole project. And now let's go and jump back to my track here. And you see, I have the female left, the female right, the low and the mid. I just went here and imported the track. So it sounds like this right now. Let me deactivate all the effect.
I don't want this. You are my feelings. I wanna go through it all.
And this, for example, is the mid again.
But I'm not listening about how you
Let's go and deactivate the
you
effect.
got my name. You were so nice, cannot deny. It was like magic, count and lies to pull me out 100 feet, boy. But I'm still not sure. Tell me what you did, 'cause
Yeah, for example, here you can hear right away that there is something not correct on the pitching.
sure. Tell me what you did, 'cause
Tell me, it's something like someone died. So what I went and did here, I just opened the auto tune, and because I know that the track is on C major, I went and did these settings here, C major and the retune speed, and just some really quick to have an idea how it could sound. I just used this preset from the Xbox Pro and send it also here to a big reverb that I like. And everything sounds like this right now. Let me go and open the mixer. And if you have a listen, only the backing vocals.
tell me what you did, 'cause I'm falling. I think now you have magic like a wizard. Oh, you got something. I think now you have magic like a. Tell me what you did, 'cause I'm falling in love. I think now you have magic like a wizard.
It makes the track much fuller in comparison without any backing vocals. By the way, guys, if you don't know how to mix, I have a course in the description below where you are going to find the 101 of mixing essential skills. Really important also here, if you do a little zoom here, you will see that these two, the low and the mid, is right on the correct time with the main vocal, but the female left and the female right are a bit off on the timing, and this is on purpose. This is a really common technique when you're going to do some backing vocals, because if you are also a bit different, like everybody does when they are singing, you're not going to have like 100% the correct timing. If you just adjust a little bit for later or earlier, you will have a bit wider sound, let's say, because right now it sounds like this.
Tell me what you did, 'cause I'm falling. I think that you have magic like a wizard.
It sounds a bit more natural because there's this time difference that it sounds like a delay. To say the truth, the final result is really promising in my opinion, and I can see myself also using this plugin a lot when I'm about to use some backing vocals, and also maybe some ideas for a vocalist that, for example, I have an idea how the track would sound, and maybe he didn't understand because I am not a singer. I can somehow convert my voice inside from the project, from the program, sorry, and then I can send to the singer. So it is much better, I think, in my opinion, to understand how the final track could sound from the producer's perspective. There are also some cons that I found a little bit here. It is also not perfect, that as you already listened, and sometimes it might take you a bit longer to make the vocal sound like pretty natural. And in case you are working on your lead vocal with the Ace Studio, it is a little bit challenging. It will take you a lot of time, but to get this final like really good sound, right? But it is a really good plugin, and I think if I didn't find this plugin like really good, I wouldn't say that I would use it. And also really important in my opinion is to know that when you're making music and when you're producing music, also some mistakes are acceptable. So it doesn't have to be perfect every time. At the end of the day, a lot of people will not understand what happened here on this backing vocal, why, for example, this note was not a little bit higher or down. I'm trying to be a little bit more realistic and to push the producers to take some songs out there. They don't have to be every time perfect, just get your songs out there. By the way, guys, do you sometimes think why your mix still sounds cluttered despite the fact that you used EQ and compression? Well, I have found a lot of times that the mid-range might be the main problem and you might not even realize it. If you want to learn more about the mid-range and how you can go and make it work for you better, check out this video here.